Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to discuss about SAP PM master data. Okay, now I'm coming on my Excel sheet. So first we will discuss the type of SAP data. Okay, the type of SAP data. So SAP data has classified into three different ways. One is a master data, second one is a transaction data, third one is a configuration data. Okay, so first, in short, we will discuss what is master data, transaction data, and configuration data. So master data is the things. Okay, so create once, use many time. Transaction data create once, use for certain time period, and configuration data create for development purpose during configuration activity. Okay, now I am going to explain in detail. So what is configuration data? The configuration data must be done only in development server to meet the business requirement, and system will generate transport request while saving the configuration data. Example, interest calculation settings, depreciation terms, APAR, asset management settings. What is master data? All the transaction data get posted into SAP with reference to master data. Note, there will be no TR generated for master data and transaction data. This must be maintained by the business user in respective server. Example, GL account, vendor master, customer master, asset master, cost center, production order. Okay, now what is transaction data? So the day-to-day business transaction are called as transaction data. Example, purchase posting, asset purchase, depreciation calculation, etc. Okay, now I'm coming on the master data, or basically we will discuss about SAP PM master data. Okay, this is our today session topic. So what is SAP PM master data or master data? So data records can provide almost all the information need to keep a technical object running smoothly throughout its life cycle. Okay, SAP master data play important role in implementation project and business process. The main purpose of this document is to provide guide to management of master data in SAP plant maintenance module. Okay, example. So equipment master data record can provide almost all the information need to keep a piece of equipment running smoothly throughout its life cycle, such like information such as a manufacturing, manufacturer, model, serial number, date of purchase, warranty information, location, function location, plant, account assignment, responsible parties, area, status. Okay, so these are the things which comes under the uh, SAP equipment master data. Okay, now I'm coming on the next one. What is a master data? So I have mentioned some master data as per sequence. Okay, so when you will face any interview, interviewer will ask question. Interviewer will ask question. Sorry. What is the sequence to upload master data? Okay, so first we will upload class and characteristic, then we will upload permit if it is in business requirement, and revision if it is in business, then work center we will upload, then function location we will upload, master date equipment we will upload, then measuring point, parts, catalog, task list, and maintenance strategy. Okay, so this so it is a standard sequence I have maintained here. Okay, so and these are the master data. So and after that I have mentioned here the T code to create. Okay, the T code, by using this T code we can create master data in SAP PM server or SAP server. So what are the master data? First is a class and characteristic, permit, revision, work center, function location, equipment, measuring point, parts, catalog, task list, maintenance strategy. Okay, now I'm coming on the master data and I will explain one by one. Okay, after that we will discuss on the transaction data, which things comes under the SAP PM transaction data. So what is a class? So class this class and characteristic. So this classification system use class and characteristic. Okay, and classes are used to catalog and identify function, location, equipment or measurement data. We can classify equipment as per their class. Suppose you have an electric motor. Okay, so how you can classify it? Because it comes under the electric motor class. So you have different type of electric motor as per different specification. So you can create one class, and in class you can define different variety of uh, different variety of uh, electric motor. Okay, so for this purpose we will use class to justify or define in a proper manner. Then if you have a different type of compressor as per different specification, then you can classify compressor as per compressor class. So we can create class by using T code CL02 in SAP PM system. Okay, now I'm coming on the characteristics. So characteristics are predefined for each class, are used to document the technical data, inspection strategy type data, value held in characteristic like equipment specification sheets. Okay, so which type of characteristic you can create if you want to measure some characteristic for particular equipment as a speed. If you want to map temperature for particular equipment, if you want to map the pressure for particular equipment, so you can create characteristic speed, temperature, pressure, RPM. Okay, by using T code CT04 in SAP PM system. Okay, so these are the things which is related to SAP class and characteristic. Or these two things is common. Basically, these two things used in each and every module. Okay, so now I'm coming on the next one, permit. So basically, permit is used to ensure that all the necessary safety precaution done, and it act as a reminder to perform safety precaution before the work is started. Okay, so when you are going to perform any activity, or you are going to perform maintenance execution for any maintenance order against any equipment, so you can create permit and you can use as a safety purpose. Okay, or a safety measure. So we can create permit by using T code IPMD, and we can assign this permit to equipment master, and we can assign at a maintenance order level. Now I'm going to show you how we can use this thing. So suppose I am going to create maintenance order. One second. Oh, maybe one second. So if you are going to create maintenance order, okay, now you can assign permit from here. One second, permit. Okay, I will go 1 second. So you can see from here you can assign permit. So if you have created different type of permit related to your business, then you can assign. Suppose you are going to assign mm, maybe they have not created welding in X zone safety permit, so you can assign, and then you can continue it. And you can, if you are going to create one equipment, okay, IE01 is a T code, and then press enter. So at go to level you can assign permit. From here you can also assign, okay, the same permit. So there are two way we can assign or assign permit at two level, one at equipment level, one at a maintenance order level. Okay, during the creation of maintenance order. So this is the things which comes under the master data, and this comes under the permit. Okay, now I'm coming on the catalog. So basically catalog is nothing but it is just a code group. By using it we can define key how means what are the region, what are the cause, what are the damage, what are the object part, what the task you have performed, and what the activity you are going to perform. Okay, so these are the things, okay, which comes under the catalog, and you by using catalog you can define key define the breakdown region, okay, in uh, during maintenance order maintenance notification creation. Suppose I am going to create notification, I am using M2. So here at item level you can justify ki what are the object part have got breakdown, and what the damage behind it, what the cause behind it, you can justify in notification. If you are going to create notification for particular equipment, by using catalog profile you can assign or you can define here. Okay, if I will go for the object part, if suppose there are one uh, pump object, or okay, one second. Okay, pump object I am taking. This function is not separated field. Okay, it will not take because I have not assigned na. Okay, one second. So suppose one second, then I will go back. Yes, and in location tab, in organization tab, here we can assign catalog profile with equipment. Okay, and when we will assign this catalog profile with equipment, and when we will create notification for this particular equipment, so catalog profile will reflect there. Okay, so this is the way, uh, uh, and this is the main reason. By using it we can uh, create catalog profile, and we can assign with equipment master. So we can create catalog profile or by using T code QS41. Okay, and there are so many things which comes under the catalog profile. So now I'm going to show you the catalog group or catalog group code. If you are going to create catalog, QS41 is the T code. Here you can there are different type of catalog. One is a activity, B for object part, C for overview of damage. Then you can use task and causes. Okay, so these are the code group which comes under the catalog. Okay, so it will justify ki for by means for which region your machine got breakdown, what is the cause, which type of task you have performed, which activity you have performed. Okay, which object part you are going to replace, or which object part are got damage, and what is the damage code. Okay, so these are the things you can justify by using catalog. Okay, now I'm coming on the next, revision. So basically revision is using in planning, shutdown planning. Okay, as of now I have not used this thing, and we can use revision by using T code OIOB. Okay, this is the T code, and we can assign revision at maintenance order level. Okay, now I'm going to show you where we can use maintenance level. Okay, so you can see maintenance order. Okay, one second. Suppose we are going to create maintenance order by using T code IW31, and I will use planning part. Press enter. So you can see now this is the revision. If you have created revision, you can use here. Okay, so we can use revision as per technical object, and it is start date. You can see revision have revision start date and revision end date. Okay, so you can use revision to collect larger service or maintenance task under one number. Okay, and enter a revision number in notification and or in order, and use it to summarize several. Okay, it can only assign a revision to notification or order if it has status open or release. It can then only close it if the assigned notification or order are closed. If a revision has the status open, you can only directly close or delete it if no notification order are assigned to it. Okay, so basically it is a use in shutdown planning. If you want to collect a larger service or maintenance task under one number, then you can use revision. Okay, now I'm coming on the next one. What is our function location? So function location is an organization unit in logistics that structure the maintenance object of a company according to functional process oriented and spatial criteria. Okay, and which things comes under the functional location? Suppose there are one pumping station. Okay, so we can consider as a functional location. If you have one compressor room, so we can consider as a compressor room, we can select as a functional location. Or we can if you have one blast furnace plant, okay, you can consider as a functional location. Why? Because these things are uh, no, signify the functionality of this area. Because in pumping station there are different type of pump. In compressor room there are different type of compressor. In blast furnace there are different type of activities if happening. Okay, so these activity are basically signify the functionality of this location. Okay, so we can consider as a functional location. What is equipment? Equipment is an individual physical object that is maintained independently, and equipment we can installed at function location. Okay, function location, it is also known as a equipment, and we can consider equipment as a electric motor, compressor, centrifugal pump, etc. Okay, these are the things which are movable easily from one place to another place. We can use as a equipment in SAP PM system. What is a bill of material? So basically it is a list of material that are required to build one equipment or one assembly. Okay, so it is a complete list of material. It is a complete list of spare part which are required to build one equipment. Okay, it is known as a bill of material, and we can use T code, create by using T code. And bill of material are three different type. Equipment BOM means equipment bill of material, functional location bill of material, or material BOM. Okay, so basically we are using equipment functional location, sorry, equipment BOM or functional location BOM. So we can create equipment BOM by using T code IB01 equipment BOM, or IB11 we can create function location BOM. Location BOM. So these are the things. Then what is the work center? So work center is it is a physical location where and when maintenance task to be performed on technical object known as a work center. Okay, and work center can be labor, machine, manpower. Okay, and we can create at like a mechanical work center. Okay, where maintenance activity to be performed on technical object. Okay, now what is the task list? And we can create a work center by using T code IR01. This is the T code. And equipment we can create IE01. Okay, function location we can create IL01. So these are the T code. Now, what is the task list? So it is a predefined procedure for a repair or inspection. It can include the requirement of internal labor and material, and external labor of material, and the specific instruction required to perform the task as a operation. Okay, and we have three different type of task list. One is a general task list, equipment task list, and function location task list. Okay, so we have three different type of task list, and these are the T codes I'm going to explain. So T code will be IA05, IA01, and IA11 to create. IA05 to create general task list, IA01 to create equipment task list, and IA11 to create function location task list. So these are the T code to create task list in SAP PM system. Okay, now, and task list is a set of operation. Okay, where you can mention, suppose you have one equipment, okay, as like a compressor. So you can understand what is task list. So we can search and we can go through the we can maintain as a cleaning. Okay, we can maintain uh, oil label check. So what is this? It is a set of operation, and we are going to perform this operation for any compressor. Okay, so we can say as a task list. Then last one is a measuring point. So measuring point it is a physical point where measurement are taken for any equipment or device. Suppose you want to map or you want to take a measurement for particular equipment, and you want to measuring some running hour or working hour for any equipment or running kilometer. So you can create measuring point by using T code IK01. Okay, and you need some equipment to you need some equipment for which you are going to create measuring point. Okay, so when we will do now, when we will perform master data creation, we will discuss all the master data in detail. Okay, what are the master data, and how we can create it. Okay, so at that time we will discuss in detail version. Now I'm coming on the next one. What is the transaction data? So the data which is used in day-to-day activity in business process is known as a transaction data. Okay, and the data is a maintenance notification creation, maintenance order creation, order time confirmation, goods issue, maintenance order taco, maintenance notification taco, maintenance plan creation, and all the activity which are performing, which you are performing your during your business process, business activity or business process. So, and these are the things which comes under the transaction. And here I have mentioned the T code. By using it, we can create this business activity. Okay, as per our requirement. So these are the things which comes under the transaction data. Okay. So so this is how we have completed our master data and transaction data. Okay. And now I'm going to show you master data structure. And I have mentioned some master data structure. If you want to create characteristic, you can create characteristics as a hour, kilometer, kilowatt, RPM, ampere, voltage, power factor. If you want to measure some, or if you want to classify the equipment as per their specification, you can create characteristic as per this. Okay, it is just for your it is just for example, and I have mentioned only for your better understanding. You can create class as a PM class, PM motor, PM diesel genset, PM construction equipment, PM mining equipment, PM plant, and you can mention as a object description as a motor class, diesel generator, construction equipment, mining equipment, and plant. So when if you have different variety of motor, and you as per their characteristic or as per their specification, you want to classify the equipment, so you can create class, and then you can you can use some characteristic in class, and you can classify the equipment. Okay, and I have mentioned here permit. What is a permit? So we, as per our work requirement, we can create permit by using T code IPMD, and you can create in this way. Okay, so this is the master data structure. Okay, I have mentioned here for only for your better understanding. And partner is not, we are not using partner. Okay, and what is measuring point we can create? So first, if you are going to create measuring point, you need to categorize some measuring point category. Okay, so you can create measuring point category as per given detail. Okay, you can create a plant for P, you can take M for a machine. Okay, and so on. And then measurement document. So when you will create measurement document, sorry, measuring point, then you can create a measurement document by using measuring point. Okay, so and you can create measurement document by using T code IK11. Then at level 2 we can create work center. So the in this way you can create work center. Function location, in this way you can create function location. Okay, then you can create equipment, then you can create bomb, then you can create catalog, and then you can create task list. Okay, so I have mentioned this master data as per level. Okay, first we need to create this one, then we need to create this one, then need to create this one, and so on. Okay, so this is the way for your better and easy understanding I have mentioned here. You can practice by using this data in your SAP system. Okay, and this is how we have completed our today's session. And now I'm going to stop our today's session. Okay, and thanks so much, and thanks for watching my video. Bye, take care.